In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view archived posts, stories and lives on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to Instagram, then go to your profile. After that, get into your activity and then scroll down until you find archived. That's where you can find all your archived posts, stories and lives. Now it comes up with the posts, so I can scroll down to see all the posts that I have archived. Also, right there at the top, you can tap on it and then switch it to Stories Archive or Live Archive. Right from there, you are able to unarchive any posts, stories or live. To do that, just hold down on it and then hit Add Show on Profile. And what that will do, that will immediately unarchive that post or story and move it to your profile. Also, from here you can delete a post or a story or live even from the archive. To do that, just open up that post, then hit add three dots and then hit add delete. Then delete again. It says you will be able to restore this post from settings, account recently deleted within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. If you agree with that, hit add delete and it will remove that post from the archive, but the post will be moved into recently deleted folder for 30 days. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.